my sister and my little cousin. They are taking classes. So as you guys can see, I just finished to do my makeup. It's something very simple, something quick. I really love this makeup look. Hey guys, so I just came from the mall, and after that I kind of like retouch my makeup a little bit. So as you guys can see, I have highlighter and I changed my lip combo, and also I put like falsies because I'm about to go take some picture for my Instagram. So go follow me on my Instagram if you guys don't follow me yet. That way you guys can be up there with any picture that I post there, because I'm more active there than what I'm here on YouTube. Today I'm planning to take about 3 or 4 pictures, and every time I do kind of like a lot of picture in one day, I like to keep my makeup very simple, because that way my makeup can go with any outfit that I'm gonna put on. What are we going?
We're going where are we? We're going to the photographer, the photo place, the place to take photos.
The photo place.
Yeah.
Like I want to show them my outfit.
Okay. Close
I'm wearing
up.
this romper right here from Shein, and this is how it looks like, and I match that with my Jordans. So yeah, I'm gonna take this cardigan off when we're gonna take pictures, but yeah.
Walk.
So guys, we just finished with the first pics, and I'm gonna go ahead and change into my second outfit. You think you did a good job today?
Obviously.
As always. So guys, I'm on the second outfit, and I'm gonna show you guys how the second outfit looks like. So yeah guys, this is my outfit. This 2-piece set right here is from Siren, and I paired that with this purse that I also got from Siren. This is my second outfit. What should I do?
Vlog your photographer getting paid.
Bitch, I'm a cop. This is outfit number 3. As you guys can see, nice classic dress with this purse right here, and I paired that with my sunglasses and also my heels. So what do you think?
Amazing. Amazing.
Are you sure?
Yes. Love it.
So yeah, we just finished to take picture on this outfit. Now we're gonna go ahead and probably change.
Yep.
And do the last outfit of the day. Why you follow me?
That's what paparazzi do.
Don't follow me.
Excuse me? Excuse me? How's your new movie role going? Have you met Harry Styles? Have you met Harry Styles?
Don't forget your stupid phone.
I got my stupid phone.
Karen Diola mi vlog. Hi vlog. ¿Dónde vamos?
We are going to sell around to get some boba, sorry.
That's
And
where
then-
we're going?
Yeah.
Y'all didn't say that. You said
Come back home.
I changed my mind.
That's where my friends
and I
are
want
right
some
now.
boba. What is your issue? When you see me,
you see her.
you see
See
them.
us. When you see us, you see her.
You see me. Don't mess up with my friends.
We'll fight you.
Period.
We work out. We lift weights. Outfit of the day. Today we have some Converse. We have the black shirt, Corona. We got the black.
We have the max.
We got the black.
We all come all the way here just to get this. Yeah. Hi, Kayen. How are you doing, Kayen? Bad. Okay guys, I just get out of the shower, and now I'm gonna do my night skincare routine. My night skincare routine is very simple. I don't use a lot of products. I try to keep my night and morning skincare routine very simple now, because I want to know which products actually make me break out, and I'm trying to use just my OG skincare products instead of all the new products that I just add to my routine and see.
So I'm gonna go ahead and conclude the video, and before I do that, I'm gonna show you guys some of the stuff that I got. The first thing that I got is this hair turban and hair slip cap right here. So this is how it looks like. As you guys can see, I think it's really big. My hair can fit here, and I also love the fact that it's come with this adjustable thing right here. And this is how the hair turban looks like. I don't usually use hair turbans, but since I already have one, so I'm gonna try it. I usually use a towel and just wrap my hair with it, and yeah, so I don't use hair turbans and I don't own one, but since I do own one right now, I'm gonna figure out how to use it because I have no idea how to use it. Hopefully it's the same way as when you wrap your normal towel in your head. The other thing that I also got is this makeup brushes right here. As you guys can see, I got a bunch of eyeshadow makeup. I feel like if you are someone who do makeup, you attempt to get more eyeshadow brushes than face brushes. So the other things that I also got, I got this t-shirt right here. I'm so happy that I finally have this on my hands. I got this Aliyah t-shirt. I love graphic t-shirt. I love any t-shirt that looks good, and honestly when I saw this I was like, I have to get this. And I also got this seamless bra right here. I'm actually wearing one right now. I got one on this color and one on black. I really love this seamless bra. I feel like for someone with small titties, those are the perfect things for you, because you can actually wear them with everything. You can wear them underneath your clothes, you can wear them like how I do right now, and honestly they really hold the girls. Like, you don't feel the needed of wearing a bra having this on. And the other thing that I also got is this skirt right here. Honestly, I really love it. I love the material, and I also love the length. The length is so perfect. I got one on brown and one on this dark color right here. The other thing that I also got is this curling iron right here. Like, can we appreciate this box right here? Like, this is really cute. You have to open it here, and honestly I love the color. This is how it looks like. I wanted to get a new one because I feel like I really need it. All the reason why I got it is because I feel like it's bigger than the one I usually have. This is the one that I have right here. As you guys can see, it's a little bit bigger here and then it's skinny at the end, but this one is the same size everywhere. I just feel like it's gonna make a difference. But last and not least, the last things that I got is these two things right here. I got this new beauty blender right here from Urban Studio. I really love this beauty blender. I think it's really nice. And I also got this NARS body oil, and I really love it, especially for summer. So yeah, that's gonna conclude today's vlog. I hope you guys like and enjoy the vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye.